Monday morning magic, people. Here I am again, outside in the beautiful Kootenays of British Columbia. I should probably take these sunglasses off. But hey, I found myself a patch of sun today, and I decided that I would stand in it. And I'm wondering what kind of patch of sun you could find in your life that you could stand in. How are those intentions coming? Are you moving towards something instead of trying to stop doing something? I'm wondering in what way you can find that little bit of sun in your life and you can expand it and make it grow. How can you find a moment where you feel fully alive and fully happy and make that moment even bigger and longer and wider so it encompasses more of your daily life? Just like me standing in the sun. I saw these rays of sun coming through the forest and thought, I will go there. How can you go there too? I wonder about that and so much more. Have a great week all. Bye for now.